If you have a lot of failing or ailing teeth, or you're wearing dentures that don't fit you right now, we have solutions for you. We can offer you full arch dental implant treatment, where you can go back to having a nice, confident smile. You can chew the food you want to eat. You can smile again. It really restores the confidence that you have in yourself, and it really can be life-changing. We typically do 4 to 6 implants on each arch, depending on your exact situation. Those implants can be fixed with a screw retain restoration, or they can have a snap-in denture. Either option of those two is going to be a lot better than having no teeth and just a denture that's moving around on you. Dentures have a lot of fallbacks to them. They move around, they slip around, they cover the roof of your mouth. You lose sense of taste, you lose a lot of chewing power. Dental implants can really solve a lot of those problems. With dental implants, you can chew again. You're going to get a lot better function, a lot better look, a lot better feel. You don't have a giant prosthesis in your mouth. You're going to have a lot smaller prosthesis over top of those implants. That's really going to help your self-confidence and really can change your life and help you out long term. Not just right now with the new smile and the confidence you're going to have. It's actually a long-term health improvement as well. To find out more about dental implants, please come in and see us. We'd love to see you. Come in, let's talk, let's see what options are available for you. We'll see you soon. WrightDentalCenter.com, or give us a call to schedule your consultation.